Hi friends, welcome to Venki Mogluri official. Today కాన్ఫరెన్స్ ఇన్ కేరళ. ఈరోజు ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ 3:30కి మన కాన్ఫరెన్స్ ఉంది. సో కాన్ఫరెన్స్ హాల్లోకి వచ్చేసాం.
Best wishes to my dear friends. We are all from Spectrum Institute of Management and Computer Sciences, Hyderabad. I am Venkatesh and my co-president Satya. Well, I continue. Self-control. Each day of the week connected to a planets have a special meaning in Indian traditional. Sunday, sun, it represents planning and intelligence. Monday, moon, it represents peace and patience. Tuesday, it represents devotional and strength. Wednesday, it represents intelligence and acknowledgement. Thursday, Jupiter, it represents its acknowledgement. Friday, Venus, it represents love and health and beauty. Saturday, it represents patience. Self-control is a core part of spiritual wellness. It is used to the early rising